Airwallex integrates with Shopify as a payment gateway for accepting cards, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and 160 plus local methods, for example, Alipay, Ideal, with multi-currency settlements. Setup takes 10 to 20 minutes, requires an Airwallex business account, KYC verified. Steps: prepare Airwallex account, log into Airwallex dashboard, Payments tab, activate online payments if not done. Select your settlement currency like USD, Euro. Enable desired methods, cards, LPMs in payment methods. Install Shopify app. In Shopify admin, apps, search Airwallex, choose Airwallex online payments for cards plus LPMs or Airwallex card payments, cards, Apple Pay only. Click install, review permissions, confirm. Connect accounts. In Shopify app settings, connect to Airwallex, log into your Airwallex account, select the account to link, click connect. Choose capture mode, auto manual, enable methods, for example Visa, MasterCard, WeChat, Pay. Configure in Shopify, admin, settings, payments, Airwallex section, activate, customize logos, CTA, e.g. Pay with Airwallex, save. Turn on auto currency switching for localized checkouts. Test and go live. Test a purchase, sandbox mode, process refunds via Shopify, syncs to Airwallex. Publish, funds settle directly to your Airwallex wallet, 2 days.